Good morning to all. My name is Mr. R. Muthu Venkata Krishnan, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and Assistant Professor. So I'm taking class Big Data Analysis in subject in Big Data Analytics. Okay. So in the first unit, I'm taking Introduction to Big Data. Introduction to Big Data. So what is data? What is data? The quantitative character symbol on which operations are performed by computer, which may be stored and transmitted in the form of electrical signal and recorded on mechanical, optical, or mechanical recording media. This is called data. What is big data? The big data is a collection of data that is up in the volume at growing exponentially with time. So it is a data with so large size and complexity that none of the traditional data management tools can store it or process it efficiently. The big data is also a data but with upsides. This is called big data. The example for big data, social media. The statistics show that 500 terabyte of the new data get ingested into the databases of social media site, Facebook, Twitter, and etc. Google. Every day, this data is mainly generated in terms of photo and video uploads and messages and exchanges and putting the commands, etc. This is a social media example for big data analysis. So example, see the diagram, Facebook. Okay. The next, a single another example for big data. That's a single jet engine can generate the 100 terabytes of the data in daily 30 minutes of the flight time with many thousand flights per day. Generations of the data reaches to many petabytes. Reaches up to many petabytes. So example for jet air jet example. Okay, so types of what are the types of big data? The following three types of big data analysis. First one, structured data, unstructured data, and the semi-structured data. Okay, so what is the structured data? Any data can be stored, accessed, and processed in the form of fixed format is termed as a structured data. So do you know 10 power 21 bytes equal to 1 zettabytes or 1 billion terabytes from a zettabytes? Okay. So for example, the structured data types is the employee ID, employee name, and gender, and the department and the salary. For example, for employee ID 2365, the Roger Cooker name. So male and the financial department 65,000 per salary. Okay. So 33 that 98 is the Pradeepa Joshi, the female administration officer in salary 65,000 of the salary in lakhs. For next 7465, the Sushil Roy, the male administrations and 50,000 salary per lakhs. Okay, so 50 lakhs in lakhs, 5 lakhs, 65 lakhs, 6.5 lakhs, and 6.5 lakhs. So 7500 Sushil in loss in male finance is a 5 lakhs per lakh salary. So 7699, the Priya Sony, the female, the financial department working 5.5 lakhs in salary per. So unstructured data types. Any data structure is unknown. Any data structure is unknown from the set or the structure is classified as unstructured data in addition to the size being high. So unstructured data poses the multiple challenges in terms of the processing for deriving the value out of it. So example for unstructured data type. So for example, Google Tool. The IBM company used to the Adobe tools and the enterprises to the IBM.com. Next, under percentage Adobe tools used. Apache Adobe tools. The Adobe tools of the big data. These big data big and Oracle big and the big data analytical with Adobe beginners and Adobe definitions and Adobe. These are example for unstructured data type. So unstructured data, what is unstructured data type? Any data with unknown form or the structure is classified as unstructured data. In addition to the size being unstructured data poses the multiple challenges in terms of it, the processing for the deriving the value out of it. This is called unstructured data types. Okay, semi-structured data types. So the semi-structured data types. So what is the semi-structured data? The semi-structured data can contain both form of the data. We can see semi-structured data transmitted structured from it is actually not defined with. Example for table definition, the relational DBMS, relational database management. Example, semi-structured data is a represented in the XML file. So all the data format, structure format is a structure is a big data stored in only files or table method. For example, employee details, the employee name, employee ID, and the employee age and the male and the female gender. With everything is the table format, a file format to store the data is called structured data. Is the semi-structured data is the all the data file in the XML format. The XML file data store. For example, personal data store in the XML. So personal data store XML, the data stored in XML was name, Prashant Rao, and the male, female, and the age, and the name, and the same on another name. Is only for XML format data stored in the big data. How to data 2010 is developed by in the data growth. So 70-80 yottabyte of the data. For example, we have here the 2010 to here is continue of the semi-structured data used up to 2030 is the gigabyte of the data. Okay, so semi-structured data. What is semi-structured data? The semi-structured data is nothing but the semi-structured data can contain the both form of the data. We can semi-structure data as a structure in the form of it is actually not defined with the example a table definition in relational DBMS. So relational database management system. For example, the structured data is here represented in the XML file. The XML format the data stored in the big data analysis. Okay, so next top 6 big data challenges. Okay, big data challenges. What is big data challenges? The big data challenges, the lack of knowledge professional to run these modern technologies and large data tools. Companies need the skilled data professional. For example, the lack of proper understanding of the massive data growth issues, and the confusions while big data tool selections and integrating data from the spread of the source and the security of the data. See the big data challenges, for example of this diagram, the data storage and the quality. The big data option for the team challenges. The team challenges, how to team challenges, data storage and the quality. Data storage and the data quality and challenge means the companies or the organization growth rapidly increases an amount of data produced. The storage of data in the challenging one, the data lake warehouse or used to collect and to store the massive quantities or massive data. Massive quantity or massive data. So massive quantity of the unstructured data, it is the native format. Then a data warehouse, when a data warehouse encountered with some errors, that error, inconsistent data, duplication, logic conflicts, and missing the data, all the result in the data quality of the challenges. It is their conclusions of while big data tools of the selections and integrating of the data from spreadsheets of the sources and the securing of the data. Okay, so lack of proper understanding of the big data. What is the lack of proper understanding of the data? The companies fail in their big data initiative due to the insufficient understanding. Insufficient understanding. So the employees may not know what data needs storage and the processing, importance, and the storage, and this data professional may know going on, but they are other may not be have clear picture. So data growth issues. The another is data growth. One of the most pressing challenges The big data is stored in all the hug set of data properly. So the amount of data being stored in data centers and the databases of the companies is increasing rapidly. As this data set grows exponentially with the time, it's get extremely difficult to handle. This is called data growth issues. Then conclusions while big data tools in the challenges, selection challenges. So the company often get confused while selecting the simplest tool for their data analysis and storage. Data analysis and storage. Is HBase or Cassandra the simplest technologies for data storage? Is Hadoop, MapReduce, okay, or Bills for BA for better options for data analytics and storage. These questions bother companies and sometimes they are unable to seek out of answer. So they find themselves making the poor decisions and selecting the inappropriate of the technology. As the result, and the money and the time and the efforts and the work hours are wasted. Work hours are wasted. This is called the confusion while big data tools of the selection. So integrating of the data from the spread of the source analysis challenges of the big data. Another challenges of the big data. What is integration? The data in a corporation comes from various sources like social media pages, ERP application, customer logs, financial report, email, presentations, and a report created by employees and combining all the data organized reports may be the challenging task. Okay. This is a neighborhood often neglected by the firms. So data integration is crucial for analysis, reporting, and business intelligence. So it is performed. It is performed. Okay. So securing data. Next, another big data challenges, securing the data. What is securing the data? The securing this set of knowledge is one of the pre-hunting challenges of massive data or quantitative data of one companies or so busy in the understanding and the storing and analyzing their data set that they push data security for later stages. Later stages. So this is often not a sensible move as unprotected data repositories can become the breeding grounds for malicious actors. Company can lose up to $3.7 million for stolen record or knowledge breach. This is called securing of the data big data. Okay, so what are the applications or the challenges? How to influence the challenge is the healthcare challenges, for example. Okay, healthcare challenges. The challenges for building the healthcare analytical platform, enhanced of the efficiency of diagnosis and the prescribing preventative medicine and the healthcare. Okay, so the challenges of the for people who understanding of the big data analysis. People who the data analysis is a very important to make the large amount of data being the produced useful. So there is a hug need for the big data analyst and the data scientist. So the storage of the quality of data science made the job in the great demand. So it is important for a data scientist to have the skills that are varied on the job is multidisciplinary. This is another challenge of the faced by the companies. Another that's of the challenge. The number of the data scientists analyzers available in the very less company of to amount of data big amount of data being the produced. This is called the people who understanding the big data analysis. Big data analysis. Okay, so the challenges of healthcare is using the predictive analysis to uncover pattern that could not be previously revolved and professionally to real time of the monitoring. This is the example for healthcare challenges. The before the challenges of the big data, another one method, good quality of analysis. What is the secure data? Next, the good quality of the analysis. So what is the good quality of analysis? The company and organization use the big data produced to make the best decision of the possible consequently. So the data they are using to show be accurate if the data used to make the decision is not accurate. It will result in an advice and a decision that would affect the future successful day of the business. There of the business. So this requires a lot of resources to ensure the accuracy of the information provided, the ensure the accuracy of the information, the creating accuracy of the data is a very time consuming and required of the users of tools. Tools, adapt tools and Apache tools, any tools that can be expensive. So this is called the good quality of analysis of the big data. Okay, so next the security and the privacy of the data. The next challenges of the data, the security and analysis of data, technical challenges, security management of challenges. So to develop the data, exchanging the interoperability architecture to provide the personalized to care the patient. So to develop the artificial intelligence based analytical platform for integration and the multi-source code. So to propose the predictive and the perspective modeling platform for physician to reduce the static scaffold and accurate diagnosis, calculate the accurate calculation. So security management challenges, security and the privacy of the data. Security, the below some common challenges, vulnerability of the fake data generation and the structure of the chronological access control, often the point entry and exit of the secure, but data security inside your system is not secure. The data provenance and the securing and the protecting the data in a real time. Data in a real time. The security management challenge also the security and the privacy of the data. Once the company and the organization use the big data producers and the varied range of the opportunities. So, however, it involves the big data when it comes to the security and the privacy of the data. Privacy of the data. So, the tools used for analyze, storage, and managers analyze and utilize of the data from a different variety of the sources. Different variety of the sources. This ultimate lead of the day list to expression of the data, expression of the data. So making it highly valuable, therefore, the productions of the more and more data increases of the security. And the data scientific is to consider, thus make it essential for analyze and the data scientific to consider these issues and deal with the data in a manner. So that will not lead the description and the description of the privacy. This is called the big data security management and the privacy. So security management, how to challenge the vulnerability to fake data generations, the structures of the granular access control of one point of the entry and exit of the secure, but data security inside your system is not secure, and the data preventions and the securing and the protecting the data in the real time. Okay, so one of the example for Adobe tools, the data link migration standard challenges. The migration from Adobe takes place because of a variety of reasons, following the common reasons for the migration necessary, it comes up. So poor data reliability and scalability. Poor data reliability and scalability. Then cost of time is a resource, cost of time and the resource, and blocked projects and unsupportive services and runtime quality issues and runtime quality issues. This is the Adobe data lake migrations of the big data challenges. The migrations of the big data challenges, what are the big data reason in the following common reason? First reason is a poor data reliability and scalability, and the cost of time and resource, and blocked projects, and unsupportive service, and runtime quality issues. Okay, these are data lake migration for the challenges of the big data. Okay, so next, the cloud security of governance challenges. Third, cloud security of governance challenges. The various source of the data is Adobe data. Another challenge, technical challenges. Another one method is a various source of the data. Various source of the data. How to various source of data? This is a dealing of the volume of the data is a challenges. Additionally, it is a challenges to manage the enormous number of sources that are producing the data. The data comes from the companies and the internal source like the finance, marketing, etc. The moreover, the external resources like the social media produce and a volume of data. Therefore, the making the data and creating reverse and the massive reverse of the massive any number of tools and the big data analysis of the export will not be enough to manage. So, and utilize this amount of data is optimality. Optimality. So, optimality is the example for the data source. The big data source, what is the big data source? The big data source is or repository of large volume of data. Large volume of data. Using the business and the intelligence and application users can quickly connect to and drive the values. Click the connection, drive the value from this source. This bring more information to users applications without requiring that the data to be held in the single repository or cloud vendors data store. Cloud vendors data store. This is the example for big data resources are there. For example, Amazon, Redshift, HP, Vertica, and Mango database, emergency big data sources, and chassis analytical data stores, NoSQL, and Adobe data, and repository respect each more data, then double their rate of the adoption and the every day exit well over the 40% availability in the self-service tools within 2 years. Within 2 years. So they kept up the software as the very industry visualization of the various source of the big data. Various source of the big data. So that organization can use us to forward their business and indicating the source or internal and external and structured and unstructured and they are the well of the variety and volume of the big data software solutions. Kebab software solution. Okay, these are the big data analysis of the source. Big data analysis of the source. Okay, so next cloud sources of the governance of the data. Governance of the data. Okay, there are some of the challenges that cloud governance future help the tackling of the performance management, governance control management, governance control management, and the cost management, and the security management, and security issues. Okay, so cloud computing is the analytical and the data science and the big data. The cloud computing, the understanding the analytics. What is analytics? What is the analytic is nothing but the science of examining the raw data with the purpose of finding the pattern and drawing the conclusions about that information by the applying the algorithm. So the mechanical process to derive the insight, the data science of the source, the data science of mining the large amount of structured and unstructured data to identify the pattern includes a combining of programming and statistical and skills and machine learning and algorithm. Okay, these are analytical and data science is a group of the data. What is the big data? This is the big data is nothing but we refer the big amount of data include capturing the data, data storage, data sharing, and data cooling. It is any voluminous amount of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data that has the potential to mine for information where the individual record. This is the team challenges of the one area of the any sponsor, any government of sponsor approve any project they will given means this is the cloud security governance challenges. Cloud security governance challenges. For example, government features. Some of the challenges that cloud governance feature is nothing but the performance of the management. The performance of the management. What is the performance of the management? The first, the management is a very good. The good performance means they will allow government, the management, the approval to the apply to the governance and the control of the government. They will ask cost management, 1 crore, 2 crore, 1 5 crore, or 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, any other challenges. They will given the approval to government, the project, security issues in the sign after the delivery the cloud security project challenges. Project challenges. That's there. Suppose, for example, any tools used, there are other tools and extra tools and the governance means any security. The security is the security issues. It is the security issue. The cost managing after security issues, many types of data carry the security standard that are driven to compliance the law and the regulation. The data may be financial, medical, government, and may be part of an analytical set, yet still be the protected. While those data may not be different from the what current IT managers must accommodate and big data analyticals need to cross references and data and create some new security consideration. So the security consideration, the cost, it is the cost management of the cost. Cost is, this is a simple, the big data can be expensive, the many organizations are operating there the big data environment. Big data environment. Cost containment requirement to improve that means more efficiency as well as less expensive component. The storage duplications as already entered the primary storage, entered in the primary storage. Those target and depending on the data types involved would bring some value for the big data storage systems. Big data storage systems. Okay, the problem of the big data begin with knowledge. Begin with knowledge. For example, the big data gets a real and real terms of the big data. What are the various characteristics of the big data? Some characters is that. Okay, in challenges we copy the characteristics. First, there is characteristic of volume. The volume is the one of the characteristics. Given better understanding of the what big data is, it is often the display the using for some characteristics of the challenges of the big data. So, as supports of the volume. What is in the volume? The data volume is defined the measures of the amount of data available to the organization, which does not necessarily have to own all of it, with longer, it can access it. As amount of data volume increase the volume of different data records. So will decrease the proportion of the age, type, resource, and the quantity among all other factors. This is the one of the characteristics of the big data analysis changes. Okay, so velocity, what is the velocity? One of the another characteristics of the velocity. Velocity is nothing but the data velocity is a mean. It is a measures the spread of data generation, streaming, arithmetical operation, e-commerce, and the other startup have the rapidly increased the speed and the riches of the data set. Used for different business transaction, managing of the data, the velocity much more and bigger than and width is used. These are the one of the big challenges in the characteristics. So another characteristic of the variety is nothing but data variety is nothing but is a data variety is a measures of the richness of the data representation of the different types of data stored in the database. Different RDBMS and DBMS data stored, the text file, image file, video file, audio file, and the zip file, etc. All the files from an analytic perspective get the probability of the biggest objective of the effectively. So use the large, the biggest data volume in the impactable data format and impactable data, incomplete data, non-alignment of the data structure, and inconsistent of the data statics, and non-design data structure. So the representation of significant in the data challenges can be significant challenges that can be lead to analytical spread and out over a large area in an of the irregularity. This is called the data value measure the uses of the data making decision. It has been noted in the big data challenges of characteristics one. Okay. So the complexity, this is the cost governance cost of the one complexity. The complexity is nothing but is the complexity measures the amount of the interconnection of the independent and interdependent of the overlapping of the data in the big data. Data in the big data. So one or few elements can affect very large changes or small changes of the ripple across or cascade through the system and subordinately affect its behavior of the no change at all in the validity of the data into challenges of the data. Okay, so big data, what next? The big data, the cloud security governance of the challenges is the various challenges the cloud government the futures help. So the performance of the management one of the features, the governance is the government and the control and they all the controlled by some officers approval the money. So cost of the management, the cost how much expected in the project, is sponsored by government sponsor, any company sponsor in the our organization or companies, the cost of the estimation 1 crore, 2 crore, 50 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, the estimation of the cost management and the security issues, the security issues and the privacy security privacy of the good security of the so cloud security governance of the challenges, another challenges of the big data analysis. Next question, what is next? The big data challenges the next. Learn how to implement the big data into managing and analyzing your business statistics. So check out all the big data solution and the services. Big data solutions means big data solution is nothing but the hub value of large amount of data storage in the big data. So big data solutions and the services to transform your business information into value, thereby the obtaining the computing the advantages. See the diagram, what next to the implementation of the big data analysis. It's a simple, the big data solution and the services to transport to your business information or business information of the data into value, and there are by obtaining the computing of the advantages. So the D, see the diagram, in the what next of the big data analysis. So to implement this technique of handling the high volume of information in your business to achieve of the incredible result. What is the result? The big data. The big data result. If any voluminous amount of structure, semi-structure, and unstructured data stored in format, the big data storage in format is a simple. The structure data means files and the tabulation format data stored. For example, employee details, name, ID, faculty ID, salary, everything data stored in the format, file format or data formatted. Another one is unstructured data is the database stored in the Google Chrome base group. Everything is the data stored in the database, big data analysis. So the semi-structured database structure, the database structure in the data XML, UML, DML data file format, data stored in the big data. So what is the next? This is the next nothing but learn how to implement the big data into the managing and analyzing your business and the statistics. Check out all the data solutions and the services to transform your business information into value, thereby obtaining competing advantage of the data diagram. So to implement this technique of handling and high volume of information, high volume of data, big volume of data information in your business to achieve the incredible result. This is called of the what next of the big data analysis. Two challenges analysis and next what next of the big data analysis. The big data solution to the services to transform your business information into value. This is called the what next of the data. Okay, this is to implement this technical handling high volume of information in our business to achieve the incredible result. Okay, so thank you.